In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable safe mode on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. And give that a moment. And then select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options. And then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select the Restart button on this page. And now you want to tap the F4 or Function 4 key to enable safe mode. So go ahead and tap on that. And then you should be booting into safe mode. And that's it. And if you want to get out of safe mode, just restart your computer, and then it should restart back into the normal Windows operating environment. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.